Blak ICE channel. As we go for another, no, well, we're gonna be dicking around. Not in this yet. Stay tuned and you'll see the surprise. Roll that intro. Here we are, we dicking around in Blak ICE's garage.
Yeah.
So we're gonna put this bumper on his.
You said
So
25?
it's either 25 or 26.
Okay. We'll try the 25.
I bet you it's 26.
Got my glasses on. I can't see what that is. Rubbed off.
Oh, that's you.
Warm in here. Something's coming on.
Oh, that's like, I'm looking for a ceiling fan. What are you talking about, a fan in here? Let me see your push pin.
Alright.
Fancy.
No.
No, I'm talking about the T-handle thingy.
I got the plastic ones. That's just the first one I came across.
You'll have to do something with that light.
Oh. Blinded you?
Well, I mean, I can't see.
I didn't know if you needed it or not. I just.
No, I'm good. I mean, oh, they way up here. I see them.
I didn't know if you needed it or not.
That's it. What did you give me?
A 25?
I guess it is. It's the one you have to take off. You took these off?
Nah.
Are they loose?
Oh, they tight. Get my fingers up in there if I had to. That's on there. All you gotta do now is fold it up. I can do that so you can.
Oh, okay.
So I need it and tape it like that.
Alright.
Go diving back down. That's gonna rub all the way.
I'm surprised you ain't heard no plane, because they usually fly through here all through the
You don't
doggone
think?
day.
It just says it down there with the middle one. That's all goes that side. Got a spider web or made a nest there
Where?
on your inside that black thing.
Oh.
Is it?
Yeah.
That's a picture of our
Oh, wow.
boxer.
There's a
Big old
girl.
boy.
I watch a lot of
Big old
Instagram.
boy.
And there's one this girl got a pet bunny. Go, "Arr, arr, arr, arr," hey, don't bark. It's, "Arr, arr, arr," and they have a conversation with it. Well, me and Bohannon do that. He go, "Arr, arr, arr."
And the
He
thing
hated
is,
like I was ignoring him. He'd go to, you gotta go outside. He wouldn't. He'd go touch his nose to the doorknob. We didn't train him to do that. That's the way he did. Cause he looks at me, and I'm like, I'm trying to watch TV. He'd put his hand on the recliner and everything, and one foot up there, and he takes it, he's in your lap,
That's
and I got it, and right up in your
that's when he was
face.
smaller.
Oh.
Alright.
He wasn't much smaller.
And I had
That was our werehair dachshund.
tell you what you can do now.
Y'all notice that lake when you came in the neighborhood?
Well, I did pay it, yeah. Put that in mind. You can see, you had metrics, didn't you?
Mm-hmm.
You see you get a 13. I can see the record on that.
13, yep.
Because see, I turned it. You got 3/8. That's a quarter. You probably don't. Probably. I guess I could use your. Let me. Side mine.
Do what?
Looking at it, so you see a 13.
13
Just a 13.
red
Socket.
socket.
I'll do. Right here. You got it. You got a whole humble freak right up the road. I see them sitting at the red light. I looked over and go, oh,
There's
no.
one in there's one right up the road, and there's one in Tuscaloosa somewhere.
When you come on.
Yep.
Yes, that's.
That one ain't too
I thought
long been
82
there.
is McFarland, ain't it?
Mm-hmm.
And whatever comes across there at 359, it turns into.
You know, I gotta ask the boss lady. You know, I don't know what.
You don't know. We came across like where all the hotels was at. Is that the Riverwalk down there?
Hey, come here, Cookity. I gotta ask the boss lady. I don't know.
You don't know? You don't know the name of the roads?
I don't know the name of nothing.
Oh, you see. Yeah. Alright, I'm a lousy YouTuber, and I didn't feel much in there. There wasn't much you could see. My belly sticking out from underneath. But anyway, we got it done, so I don't know what. Anyway, go check out that video there, that one there. Hit that subscribe button, give me a thumbs up. We'll see you down the road. See you later. I wish I'd have put the seat off now because my ass is wet. Dang it.